So we're going to use completing the square to go ahead and find the equation of a circle. So the first step is to group the x values together and then go through and group the y values together. And I'm going to move that negative 18 over to the other side. The positive 18 turns into a negative 18 when it gets moved to the other side. So what goes inside both of the inside pieces of the circle is you take the negative 6, the coefficient in front of x, divide that by 2, and square it. That gives me a positive 9 here. I'm going to add 9 to that side as well. Do the same thing for this. That's 10 divided by 2, which is 5. 5 squared is my plus 25, and my plus 25 on both sides of the equation. Now, it's really important to realize that I have a coefficient of 1 outside both of those parentheses. You don't have that for an ellipse and a hyperbola, so do be careful with that. Let's rewrite this now. I have x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 10y plus 25, and all of that is equal to 16. I factor this. This is the same thing as x minus 3 times x minus 3, which is x minus 3 quantity squared. For the y side, that is y plus 5 times one more y plus 5. That's the same thing as saying y plus 5 quantity squared is equal to 16. Now to go ahead and identify the center of the circle. The center of the circle, you just take the x value and y value and change their signs so that center of that circle is just 3, negative 5. The radius squared is equal to 16, so the radius is equal to 4. All of that comes from that formula of the circle, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Again, that negative sign inside there is what tells us I have to change the values. So I go through and just graph this. My circle is over here at 3, negative 5. So my center of my circle is here. I go out 4 directions in both pieces and draw my circle.